Hey there people of the internet, my name is Sivana, and we're in my studio. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. My partner and I are going to be opening a box of Hidden Fates to see what shiny Pokemon we get. And then the rest of the video I will be drawing this Pokemon, so stick around for that. But first, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more Pokemon speed draws, along with some of my own original art. And if you would like to support me, you can check out my Etsy shop where I sell shirts and prints of some of the art you see here. And go follow me on Instagram where I post my sketches and paintings that don't make it to this channel. Now without further ado, let's open some packs. It's a nice box. We got Hidden Fates instead of the new Shining Fates. Is that what it's called? Nice. So he's gonna do half and I'm gonna do another half. We're gonna take turns opening packs so he can get some satisfaction of getting some shiny cards too. Counting them out. I don't know when the last time I opened some Pokemon cards was. Probably like 5 years ago. Wow, this is a lot of cards. A lot of packs we're going to be opening. We're going to be here a while. Oh. Oh, that's so nice. So fancy. Ooh. Pretty birds. My favorite is Articuno. I like its pretty ponytail of a tail. Alrighty. Let's get going.
I'll start with these 5. You get the second half.
Okay. You got the code thing there. Chuck. Ooh, Steel Energy. Sabrina's Suggestion. Charmeleon, that's a cute one. I like it. Chansey. Eevee. Caterpie. Paris. Oh, what a cute Ekans! Psyduck. Altaria! That's the one you wanted! Oh my god!
Okay, let's see what the rare is.
Ah! Go away, Bill!
Oh my god!
Oh, that's so good!
Wow, okay.
Now we don't have to buy singles.
Let's leave that up.
Heck yeah.
Ooh.
I think I want to get a whole bunch of Ekans in our box and make a collage and put them behind Star's tank. Get it right up in the camera's face. Oh, there it goes. So nice. Hee! I can't wait to get a shelf. Save the Mewtwo for last. Mm-hmm. Got the thing. You're picking all of this up, and I will help you. Water. Oh gosh, Jinx. Here's Joy. Metapod, if only it was shiny. Geobro. Pikachu. That's a cute Clefairy. Oh, that's a cool Cubone. I like the colors. Jigglypuff. It looks much better than the one over there. Misty. Out of focus, whatever. Another Misty. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, they're, that's cool, the, reverse foiling.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Well, she's not shiny, so I don't care.
I'll see them.
Okay.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Got a secret code that's not so secret.
4. Got a guess on energy type? I'm gonna say fire.
Psychic energy. Oh, it's water again. Another Charmeleon. Another Chansey. Giovanni. I need to, like, drink some water. Paris. Oh, so cute. Clefairy. Psyduck. Ooh.
That's our foil.
That's our foil? A dark energy?
Yep.
I mean, it looks nice.
For
Zapdos! That's awesome. Oh, that looks so good.
cool.
The foiling looks good because it looks like lightning strikes. The sleepy energy. I like that it's a dark energy because dark is one of my favorite types. Yeah.
Show.
Got the code.
Check.
Lacey.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Grass energy.
Oh, we didn't guess.
That's fine. Giovanni. Lieutenant Surge.
Guys,
Huh?
chill.
Gen 1ers over here.
I'm talking about.
Coughing! Another cool Cubone. Geobro. Jigglypuff. I almost said Clefairy. I knew it was wrong. Staryu. Basic Staryu.
Whoa.
Foil Pikachu.
That's good.
It is cool.
First foil Pikachu.
Obligatory Pikachu. Jolteon!
Regular Jolteon.
We're getting so many electric types. I like that Jolteon though. Got the code.
Code Chuck. I'm going to say electric.
Fairy. Oh, psychic. Pewter Gym. Koga. Lieutenant Surge again. Magikarp. Another basic Staryu. Oh, it's a nice looking Voltorb. Gosh dang Pikachu. Jigglypuff. Brock! The best girl. Best girl from anime. I mean, it's cool looking. My turn! I do not have a very long reach. Goodness, scissors. Got the code. In. Hey, look, fairy. Ah, I bumped the camera.
That's your guess from last time.
Misty. There we go. Pokemon Center lady. They could just say Nurse Joy. Sabrina's suggestion. Very suggestive. Psyduck. It's Pikachu again. Another Magikarp. Coffee. Clefairy. Oh. Glaceon. I don't care about Snorlax.
Oh,
Look at
sleeve
this.
it.
Oh, it feels so good.
Sleeve it.
Look at that.
Yo ho ho.
I can't tell if it's shiny. Oh, it is because it has the sparkles.
Yeah.
Focus. Focus, dang it. There we go.
That's a hit if I've ever
that's
seen
so
it.
pretty.
Oh my goodness. Let's see.
Yeah. That's so exciting and it feels so cool. Glaceon.
Well, that's pretty good. That's
Fighting energy. Focus, please. Thank you. Ooh. Sither. Another cool Charmeleon. Metapod. Basic Staryu, once again. Jigglypuff. Ooh, Ekans. Geodude. Cubone. Misty Cerulean Gym. And Blaine's Last Stand.
wah wah. I mean, we got some treasure
Yeah.
already. So.
Yeah. Got the code? Maybe.
There it is. Chuck. Oh, I forgot to get.
Steel Energy. Cute little Jinx. Misty's Determination, regular. Pewter Gym, regular. Clefairy. Slowpoke. Magikarp. Pikachu. Voltorb, I think I see something shiny back there.
Whoa!
Look, a shiny Kirlia!
Whoa!
Bro, though. I love
A
it.
double pack?
Yay!
Yo.
Oh, they feel so cool.
Sleeve them up.
Alright, where are the sleeves? Here they go. Get out of here, thing.
That's so cool.
I love these dinguses.
Nice.
She looks so cute.
Yes, I love it.
You're gonna have to put them over there for me.
I got
I cannot reach. And I need water. I'm super excited about that Glaceon though. She looks so freaking good. I couldn't tell if it was shiny because Glaceon shiny is hard to distinguish. We got the code. Get to my quiz. Maybe. Alright, Chuck.
I'm gonna say water energy again.
Psychic energy. Oh, fairy.
Oh, fairy. Yep, yep.
Misty. Scyther. Sabrina. Ekans. So cute. Coughing. Cubone. Geodude. I see something shiny. Slowpoke. Voltorb. Look at this Wigglytuff! Ah!
The Wigglytuff.
I love Wigglytuff!
Classic.
Should go get that Wigglytuff, and I should show off my Wigglytuff Gajinka that I drew I don't know how many years ago, but I don't feel like looking for it, so we'll do that later. Look at those eyes! Ah! So cute! Every time we get a shiny, we have to put it up on screen. Alright. One of these days, there we go.
Nice.
Oop. The last pack, except for that. What is that for?
That's just a bunch of energies.
Oh.
Get your code cards here.
Get your code cards here. Chuck.
I didn't guess.
Dark Energy. Chansey. Cerulean Gym. Sabrina Suggestion. Ekans. Eevee. Pikachu. Oh gosh. These cards are giving me anxiety. Clefairy. Jigglypuff. What the heck? That's what it's called. Kartana.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my
Arbok.
gosh. That's awesome.
We were talking about this Pokemon the other day. What beats rock? Paper. What's a paper Pokemon? This thing. So nice.
What?
Whoop.
That's so good.
Excuse me. Oh, I'm so happy about the Jessie and James, especially since we got it with another shiny. The Zapdos looks really good. Kartana, whatever Pikachu, I don't care. Altaria though! I'm most excited about the Altaria and the Glaceon. The Jigglypuff is so cute though. Look at it! Look at it! I love it. I'm so happy.
Very cool. There it is.
We didn't get a shiny Ducklet though. Shout out to Dallas's stream. I'm really happy with this box. The shinies we pulled are awesome. So now that we have our Pokemon, let's get into the drawing. Okay, so I just had to draw Jessie and James with the shinies that we pulled, and I decided to go for like a boss look. I was just going to draw them being goofy and chillin', but I looked up some fan art on Google and found this really cool piece, and I was like, I want to make my Jessie and James cool too. So here they are looking like two new bosses of Team Rocket, and honestly, I love that for them. They deserve something good to happen to them for once. Even if it is running an evil organization, but we don't talk about that part.
A wanted poster. How flattering.
Flattering? This picture makes me look terrible.
Then you should be happy the photographer captured the real you.
Exactly.
We'll show these bumpkins.
The people of Viridian City will be sorry they ever saw this face.
Now, I know Altaria is like 45 pounds and Jessie would have to be a monster to be able to hold it on her arm, but it looks good aesthetically, and I figured Altaria could just kind of be hovering and not put all of its weight on her forearm. Dividing the 4 shinies among them was interesting, and it's honestly perfect that we got 4. I knew I wanted Glaceon to go to Jessie, and so James would get the other blue one, Curlia. And Kartana is just kind of weird and small, which James has a history of befriending. And then the majestic Altaria would be for Jessie. I also had to get the classic red R in their design somewhere as a nice homage to their uniform, and decided to move Jessie's to a kind of belt charm. I then give Glaceon a different pose because I didn't like it just standing there, and then I gave it some pearls to match Jessie. I went with a thinner line for this one because the thicker just didn't look right to me, and I think it fits much better, kind of looking more anime than they usually do. I struggled with James's collar because the way I sketched it didn't make sense, and it drove me crazy trying to figure it out in the line work because he's kind of angled and I wanted it to look as if the collar actually wrapped around. I love this suit though. He looks like a hot yet intimidating boss with a gentle face, which is somehow more intimidating, like the polite villain. Kartana is weird, but I like it. I think it's cute. And only James would be able to befriend an Ultra Beast, like, come on. I love Curlia. I'm so glad we pulled it shiny just to give me an excuse to draw her. I could definitely see James having a Gardevoir that has a crush on him and hates Jessie and every other woman that interacts with him, but James is just so oblivious and dotes on her like a little sister. Look, when Pokemon look like people, it gets weird. Don't judge me. Now time for Jessie, who I drew way too hot for my own good.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I wanted her to look a bit more sinister because she and Meowth were always the scheming ones who thought of the plans and such. Speaking of Meowth, I definitely forgot about him and he could have fit perfectly in the middle, but it's fine, I squeeze him in later. How to make a dress sexy. Give it a boob window. Altaria is so majestic and floofy and I want one. Anyone out there able to make a really good shiny Altaria plush? Give me a call. I had some trouble with Altaria's feet and decided to make them more like talons than the cartoony burp toes. I knew I wanted Jessie's coat thing to mimic Altaria's cloud wings, so it just became a bunch of cotton balls. It looks much better when it's colored, trust me. And now for the most tedious thing I've ever done. Making all of these tiny pearls for this belt. Never again. I wanted Glaceon to look like a prissy cat who just couldn't care less about being here, and I think I've captured that energy perfectly. Do you get it? I'll go now.
Good lord.
And flats. I merged all my lines together to make the flatting process easier on myself, and then just used the magic wand tool to select the areas and filled them in with a key command that is essentially the same thing as the paint bucket. I really like the Team Rocket Pokeball. It's so aesthetically pleasing, and it's really hard to go wrong with black, red, and silver. Or gold, you know? Yeah, I get you. For the shading, I do my usual mix of hard shadow lines with the soft airbrush for depth, and then blend a little with my watercolor smudger. Kartana was weird to shade because it just has so many folds and angles, and I'm more used to curves, but I think it turned out good. I also like how the blue of Kartana's torso matches James's hair. These gloves are so cool to me. I wanted to convey that they were leather, but didn't really know how and just winged it. I'm really happy with how they turned out. The tie was also interesting to figure out as I played with layer filters and found one that made it look silky, and then I just slapped a pattern on it for fun. Humble brag incoming. I love this simple shadow on James's shirt that makes him look pretty buff underneath all his fluff. Such a tiny thing that made all the difference. Good job, me. I tried the same thing that I did with James's glove on his shoes, and it just looks so good to me. It's like he has those nice, classy dress shoes that a big, polite, evil boss would have.
Why, you might even become president of your company.
I can see it now. A life of luxury, a little mustache, all the strawberry milk I can drink.
Curlia is such a cutie, and shading her was pretty simple, so I just wanted to add a little more. Some kind of flare that would give her more three-dimensional look, and I just added this soft pink to her white, and it made a big difference to me. It made her look fleshy, which is also kind of weird for her skirt part, but whatever. Shiny Curlia is such a treasure, and I will definitely be hunting for a shiny Ralts at some point. If I get a female, I might just leave it as a Curlia, and if I get a male, I gotta have a Gallade. Like, come on. Ooh, Jessie time. I love Jessie. I probably already said that, but I don't care. I love Team Rocket so much. They're so goofy and just a good time. Shading Jessie was fun because I just got to stare at her for a long time. Yes, I am attracted to my own art, shut up.
This is awfully confusing.
Jessie's hair doesn't make much sense, but it was neat to shade and convey the movement of her nonsensical locks. Her pearl necklace and belt were a bit of a challenge for me because pearls are pretty reflective, so I wanted them to be white but still reflecting the colors around them, like her magenta hair, red dress, and black gloves. And then I added a little sparkle texture for effect. I had a bit of trouble with her boots because the shine just seemed like so much, so I just futzed around until it seemed passable. And I think it looks good, not as good as James's shoes, but still good. Figuring out her dress was my favorite part. I wanted to make it look shiny and silky like James's tie, and I eventually made it a brighter red, and I was like, this is perfect. I'm so happy with it, especially since it's my first time coloring any kind of silky texture like this. Now to the pretty bird. I knew I wanted to finish Altaria before going on to Jessie's coat because I wanted it to have a similar texture to Altaria's wings. So I had to figure out the color scheme I was going to be going for on Altaria first. I use the lasso tool a lot to get the sharp curves and rounded edges on my softer airbrush to have more defined shadows to be able to blend later. I played with the color of Jessie's coat a lot because I thought maybe it would look better if it was more defined from Altaria's clouds, but I ended up sticking with the pale blues and purples on white. Glaceon was also very simple, and I didn't really do anything too crazy other than adding some fur streaks for texture and loving the way I did the hair and crystal crown thing. I couldn't remember what effect I had on Jessie's pearls, so I just chose a different one that I thought looked cool. I also already did the background but didn't record it, so the rest is me making the shiny sparkles and the background will just pop in. I wanted it to be nice and simple, as I do, but still interesting, like they're in a spotlight on a stage or just walked out to fight whatever trainer has come to challenge them. They're evil gym leaders now. Oh, and here's Meowth because I forgot.
Meowth! That's right!
Thank you all so much for watching. I know this was pretty different from what I normally do, but please let me know in the comments if you would like me to do more box opening and drawing in the future. Also be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more Pokemon art, and hit the bell so you won't miss an upload. Thanks again and take care. I'll see you in the next one.